Hello everyone, I'm Bob Furlong, and this is Tech Quips, number 25, Digital Escape Rooms. Escape rooms seem to be all over the place nowadays. If you're not familiar with what they are, you would go into a particular room and there are several clues that you and a group of friends would have to solve in order to get out of the room in a certain amount of time. Well, you can do the same thing in your classroom as well. Let me give you a couple examples of how I have used and have made an escape room for my students. You'll start at a website called flippity.net. If you've never heard of this website, there's a lot of really cool things that you can do with your students. One of the ones that I like to do is what they call the scavenger hunt, or what I refer to as the escape room. Now, all you really need to do is download the template, and this is going to be saved as a Google Sheet. And it comes preloaded with a bunch of questions. You'll want to obviously get rid of these clues and these hints and then the answers, and you're going to put in your own information. So let me show you what this looks like. This is one that I did with my biology class. I think this was on the last day of school last year. And I gave them all these different clues, and then they had some hints to help them find the clues. Now these clues, though, were found all over the room. Some were found in their books. I put a time limit of about 15 minutes onto the board and had a countdown going. And the kids seemed to have a lot of fun with this. Once you have it completed, you're going to go to File and then Publish to the Web. And you're going to say Publish. Okay. Then under Get Link here, you're going to simply take this link, copy it, put it into Google Classroom for the students to then go to the actual game. Now when you click on that, you'll notice that they have, in this case, 15 questions that they have to solve. How I've used this throughout the year, though, is in my physical science class, I wanted students to practice using some of these equations. So I made this into an escape room. So the students would click on a lock, they would get their question. In this case, the hints would always be the formula that they needed. They could then figure out what that answer is, click on the key, and if they were right, it would open up the lock and they can go on to another one. So again, it was just kind of a fun way in order for them to get using some of these equations that they needed to know on the test. Another idea for this that I've done in the past is I've given them a syllabus and I have created an escape room, and they had to go through the syllabus and answer the questions in order to escape out of the room. And it was just a fun way of going through some of the more important parts on the class syllabus and giving the students a chance to work together on day one. Thanks for watching.